Let's talk about lung sounds. The first one is fine crackles. Fine crackles are a loud crackling or bubbling sound. It kind of sounds like snack crackle pop. Next is coarse crackles. This is a low-pitched, loud, wet bubbling sound. It kind of sounds like shoveling rocks. Next is stridor. This is a harsh high-pitched whistling or gasping sound. It kind of sounds like a seal. Lastly is Ronai. This is a low-pitched wheezing sound. It kind of sounds like someone snoring. If you need help with knowing the must-know content to study in nursing school, you should grab this book.